What's up YouTube? Today the saga continues. So I went ahead the other day and I was spraying different vacuum lines with brake parts cleaner, listening to see if the engine speed would pick up. This is just an easy quick way to find if you have any vacuum leaks. And lo and behold, I found a vacuum leak. Now today I'm going to go ahead and change out that vacuum line and see if it doesn't change anything for me. I didn't go out and buy the exact vacuum line. I found that they're like $25 online and many people are leaving 2-star reviews. So I'm going to go ahead and make one myself using parts I have at home. I'm going to use this hose clamp kit, this clear tubing, a larger piece of tubing over there, and a piece of shears. Everything can be found at home, and if not, I'll put some links up for you guys to find some for yourselves. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to go ahead and pull out the old unit. Just give it a firm tug. Alright. Now I just tried to put some duct tape on here. I don't think it worked very well. It was just like a test. Here we are. So, and here's the other side. Kind of broke as I pulled it off. But gonna go ahead and replace this. Alright, let's get to it. First thing, you're gonna slide a hose clamp. I guess this is different for everyone, but I went ahead and slid a hose clamp just like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and put one end of my tubing in it. And let's go ahead and tighten this down all the way. Alright, it's pretty tight. Give it a quick test. Doesn't seem like it's leaking. Gonna go ahead and slide another hose clamp over and go ahead and put it right back on the CCV. And I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this guy up. Gonna go ahead and cut it to length with some shears. Give yourself a little extra slack. You can always cut more later. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and slide this over. And I already have the clamp here with me. Alright, now slide the clamp over. And let's tighten that down. Now, I don't actually think this is why the vehicle is misfiring, but we went ahead and repaired it anyway. I don't think this is going anywhere now. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, see what happens. What is up guys? Today I wanted to go ahead and do a compression test all over again on the Jeep 4.0. I made a video in the past about what I'm experiencing. I'm experiencing this stutter and rough idle that makes the Jeep undrivable. It's throwing cylinder 3 misfire no matter what I do. I changed the coils, I changed the sparks, the fuel injectors, I checked the fuel injector wiring, I checked a whole bunch of sensors, and it's still doing the same problem. So I did a compression test. Everything checked out within 155 psi. Currently I'm doing a leak down test, so I have connected to a compressor over here directly into the cylinder using just direct air into it. I don't actually care to see the percentage of leak down. I just want to see if I could overtly hear any signs of leaking anywhere. So I have cylinder 3 at top dead center and I have 100 psi charged in the cylinder head, and when we look at the gauge over here, more or less it hasn't changed whatsoever. I don't hear leaking out of the exhaust. I don't hear leaking anywhere. So I'm beginning to wonder it might not be a valve burnt problem. At this point I'll take any help I can get. I don't really know what else to check. I don't think it's the oxygen sensors. I don't know if it's the cat. It could be the fuel pump. The problem is mostly intermittent. Not sure what else to check here. All help is appreciated.